Google has released a brand new vibe coding experience, and today we're going to check it out. We are going to head to AI Studio Build. It looks a bit overwhelming at first, but we're going to break it down right now. First, you can build your ideas with Gemini, which is the series of AI models that Google provides. And here Google has provided some cards, some default cards, to capture some common use cases of their AI models that we can embed into our vibe coding experience or the app that we're building. For example, if you're building something with image generation, then we can say Nano Banana powered app. I can click it and then say build an image editor or something like this. Or transcribe audio or AI powered chatbot, add a context aware chatbot to your application. I guess we can build a chatbot into our application, upload some documentation there, and it could guide our users through our application. Then we're going to explore the gallery and your apps. But first, let's build an application. I'm going to click I'm feeling lucky, and then it added the Nano Banana powered app and create an app to remove backgrounds and clean up product photos just by tapping instructions. I think this looks pretty good as a starter app, and I'm going to click build now. And we're going to observe together what happens. The model starts thinking, Gemini 2.5 Pro. We have the preview of the UI here, and then we have the preview of the code. We can see that the code is being written. And the whole experience to me feels like a game so far. I think Google is trying to gamify coding and to make it more accessible to people who are not developers professionally. So this is our photo editor app. And we can upload the image, describe the edits, and then we can see the original and edited. I have uploaded a photo of myself here, and what I really like is that at every step of the way, Google gives us suggestions what we can type into the input. And this makes the experience for me as a user very pleasant because I don't have to wonder, oh, what should I put in here? Or what is this text field about? And I can say, make the lighting more dramatic. And we can see the generated edited photo here on the right side. It's not great, but this is our application that we vibe coded with just one prompt. You have to remember, this is just one prompt. I didn't do anything. It took like 2 seconds. And then there is a code part. We can download the app. We can save it to GitHub. We could also deploy the app, which I guess would deploy it on the Google Cloud. Yeah, the suggestions here are really good. Add image format options, improve error handling, and so on. Then we can go to gallery and see some default apps. As I've already said, the whole experience feels extremely gamified to me. The target audience is exactly vibe coders, people who are not looking to launch production ready application yet, people who want to experiment, get inspired, or just play around. It feels to me like if I'm on a flight, instead of watching a movie, I can open the Google AI Studio and just vibe some applications and build something. So here's the app gallery, and those are some default apps that were created by Google that we can explore. Gemini reimagines you in past decades with character consistency. Let's check it out with the same photo that I uploaded before. And we can see here the default prompts are really good, such as improve loading animation, add more decade, and share results, and so on. You can see the code if you're interested to explore it. I'll upload the photo again that I uploaded, and then we generate. And to be honest, this is an app that you could sell. I've seen a lot of AI-powered photo applications that generate a lot of revenue. 2 seconds of work, and then we have the application, and then we can prompt it and change it based on the suggestions or think of our own prompting. Yeah, and this is me in different decades. I think it's pretty good. So I can imagine apps like this going viral, even in schools. And you could imagine a whole generation of people getting inspired to vibe code apps instead of wasting their life on Instagram Reels. But who knows? Remix this app to try different hairstyles. Let's try this prompt and see how it works. And it's incredible that Google provides this for free. The app is now called Hair Forward. I've updated the titles, descriptions, updated generation, refreshed ideas. Let's check it out again. Generate. Yep, looking promising. And then again, great suggestions such as add camera access. So the application can make a photo of ourselves. We can immediately upload it, and then it can generate different hairstyles. With Google's new AI Studio experience, we can generate a lot of prototypes in a single day. And I really like the fact that they have some default applications that you could get inspired by, you could remix, modify, and then they also have some default AI behavior that you could put in your applications. And those cards to me serve also like a documentation for what capabilities Google provides, such as animating images with Veo or using Google search data or using Google Maps data. This serves so many purposes. It's a documentation, it's an inspiration source, and it makes the whole experience way more pleasant to use. I think Google has done really well here. And these are the applications that we have. You need to enable access to Google Drive because this is where they save them. And also there are some frequently asked questions. And 2 things that stood out to me. Can I develop apps locally with my own tools and then share them here? The functionality is not available yet, so you cannot upload the apps that you have locally developed with your own tools. You cannot upload them to Google AI Studio. Or can I use Next.js or some other common framework? And this is also not yet supported. So this was a quick video about the new Google AI Studio experience. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.